Welcome to our channel. Here's a clear and professional guide on how to fix a TD Bank overdraft reversal efficiently. And confidently welcome to our channel. Managing your finances can sometimes be tricky, especially when it comes to overdraft issues with your bank. If you've encountered an overdraft reversal fee from TD Bank, don't worry. We will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can resolve the situation smoothly and avoid similar problems in the future. Step 1. Gather your information. Start by collecting all the necessary documents and details regarding the overdraft incident. This includes your bank statements, the dates and amounts of the overdraft, transactions, any correspondence from TD Bank about the reversal fee, and your account information. Having accurate information is crucial for a successful resolution. Step 2. Review TD Bank's overdraft policy. Before proceeding, familiarize yourself with TD Bank's overdraft policies. Visit the official TD Bank website or call their customer service to understand the specific terms, fees, and the conditions under which overdraft reversals occur. Knowing these details will help you make a stronger case if you decide to dispute the fee. Step 3. Contact TD Bank customer service. Reach out to TD Bank directly by calling their customer service number or visiting a local branch. Prepare to explain your situation calmly and clearly state that you are calling to discuss an overdraft reversal fee and inquire about the reason behind the charge. Keep notes of the conversation, including the names of representatives, if applicable. Step 4. Submit a formal dispute. If you believe the overdraft reversal fee was applied in error, or if there were extenuating circumstances, explain this when you contact the bank. Most banks, including TD Bank, allow you to formally dispute fees either over the phone, via mail, or through their online banking platform. Make sure you provide all relevant documentation. Support your claims. Step 5. Follow-up. Persistency is key. If your issue is not resolved immediately, follow up with TD Bank regularly, either by phone or email. Request updates and stay polite but firm in your communications. This helps demonstrate your commitment to resolving the issue and encourages the bank to respond more quickly. Step 6. Monitor your account regularly. After resolving the overdraft reversal fee, monitor your bank account frequently to ensure no additional unexpected fees are applied. If problems continue, consider setting up overdraft protection or alerts through TD Bank's online banking services to avoid future fees. Step 7. Consider alternative solutions. If you find it difficult to resolve the overdraft reversal issue through customer service, you can escalate your complaint to a TD Bank manager or file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or your local financial regulatory authority. This step shows that you are serious about resolving the matter and might expedite the process. Fixing an overdraft reversal fee with TD Bank requires patience, preparation, and clear communication. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to handle overdraft fees professionally and prevent future occurrences. Always remember, good financial habits and staying informed are your best tools for managing your personal banking. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated on more useful banking and financial tips.